If you are the type of person who needs control on all things related to your home, then you are going to love Live.inhere Home Hubs. Not only will it track home values from multiple different resources, but it will also track mortgage values if you are looking to refinance. It'll even tell you what the market looks like in your surrounding neighborhood. But here is where the real value comes in, because let's say you want to do a painting project, or let's say you want to do a bathroom remodel. You can quote all of those through this Home Hub. You can even search through local contractors through the Home Hub and see ones that I personally have recommended. Even if you are not doing anything major to your home and you just want to keep track of all the repairs and maintenance, you can do that here too. And one of my favorite features is that it actually tracks on a timeline the history of your home, which is very valuable when you go to list your house. But again, even if you're not making any moves or any major decisions right now in your home, this can still help you track all of your valuable belongings. And you can even upload your insurance and warranty documentations to your Home Hub. Live.inhere Home Hubs put you as the homeowner in control. And if you're one of my clients, then you have access absolutely free. But if you're not my client and you want access to something as powerful as the Live.inhere Home Hub, send me a message.